Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you camera tips and tricks for the ZTE Blade A53 Pro. So we are starting from the standard photo mode, and right here when you click on the screen once, you can decrease or increase brightness level. Take a look. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen once. On the right side you can find the volume buttons, so you can click volume up or volume down and you can take photos. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to take series of the photos. You can take 30 photos in each series. Next, when you tap on this icon, you can add some cool looking modes, filters. They will change also the color and the temperature when you keep swiping to the right side. Next, we can also click on the settings in the right upper corner, where we can find other useful options, like for example we can switch function of these volume buttons. So instead of taking photos, we can use them to zoom in. Okay, looks like it's something wrong. Yeah, I just set the volume, so we have to switch to the zoom and take a look. We can smoothly zoom in and zoom out by using the volume buttons. Let's go back to the settings, where we can find also other options, like for example we can enable the touch photography, but also we can add the timer to our photos between 3 or 10 seconds. So as you can see, the timer is activated, but we can also take photos by tapping on the screen. And that's all for the camera tips and tricks for this device. That's the ZTE Blade A53 Pro. Hope you like it.